Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, so we have last session we have made the changes to, yeah, we don't need a recap. We need to clean up the changes. So I see that this selection here we no longer need, so we can actually remove that. But bundles is needed, yeah, okay. So basically we have now a function that updates this and then it calls into this. What is this there? Function indices filter. Yeah. The balance interaction. Hold on. Ah. Right. Yeah. I wonder if we should move the contents of these on interaction functions into these bodies here. Because essentially we only ever call it from this, right? We don't call it from two different places. Actually? Oh. What is this? Oh. We do actually call it from two places. Look at that. Huh. Okay, section changed. Okay, now in that case it needs to be kept separate. What about the other ones? On bundles interaction. Is that also called from two places? This one. Oh, it doesn't want to find. It doesn't want to search. Oh boy. Oh, it's also called from two places. Okay, so it is also called when clicking on the bundle items. Yeah. And here, bundles interaction, here we call this updates bundles interaction. Yeah. Okay, now then we keep it separate. Yeah. Okay, then that is fine. Good, let's clean up the mess here. Ta-da. Ta-da. Right. Oof. How about we make this callback here a it's called filter callback, isn't it? Filter callback. Yeah. Auto filter callback. Let's put that here. Const. Put that here. Let's also create a filter callback here. Looks good. Yeah. Good, then we remove this one here. And then we delete this. Here. All right. And anything else? There's probably some more stuff. Let's see. Here we have some comparison descriptor. Move this. Remove that. All right. All right, so we active name functions, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Yeah. Active name functions, active UI infos. Yeah. Right. This one is just moved. All right. Update bundles interaction. Functions interaction. Yeah. Then here. Here we have commented code. All right, updates bundles interaction. Update selected bundles and functions on both sides, because otherwise these would not update. Otherwise these would not. a update selected bundles and update bundles and functions on both sides always, because otherwise these would not update on a otherwise these would not update on after a second comparison if the bundles and or functions sections were collapsed. Otherwise, these would not update on after. Otherwise, these would not update after a second comparison if the bundles and or functions sections Okay, then this looks good to me. Bundles ready, assert, type, blah, blah, filter callback, blah, blah. Let's draw and update filter. And here we got some commented code. So we have type, we have selection, and we have bundles. Yeah. Can remove that. Okay. And then we remove this. If selection change, update functions interaction. Then we take that. Section change, draw filter. Okay. Get active. Okay, and in GUI text filter. Remove that. Return true, return false. Filtered once, true. Filtered once. Update filter. Updated. What is this one used for? Let's see. Call to reset will clears the filter state. Clears the filtered state, but does not clear does not reset the user specified filter words. Set true if set true to force the next force the next draw to update. Force the next to update the filtered state. Maybe we make this a bit where requires, or let's say can update or needs refresh. Let's say needs updates. Const if not filtered once, return not filtered once. Then we set here needs updates. clears the filtered state but does not reset the user specified filtered words. Needs updates. Filtered once, set true to force the next draw to update the filtered state. Yeah. Right. Update filter. Okay. Good. I think this is prepared. It has compiled. Maybe also add some comments here. Array of the filtered elements. Array to the filtered elements. What does this contain? The filter state for the input field. After an update. Filter. I wonder. Should we maybe make it private? Maybe private. I would say we make a follow-up change and maybe maybe we can make some stuff private here. Yeah, maybe. All right, so let's test it once more and see if it works. Good, so we select this, we select that, we press compare, it compares. And it has done things. We select some, we select here a bunch of, we select put this to 1, we put this to 3, format ASCII string. Yeah. Then we press, then we lower this one here. Then we press load. And then we press compare. And that works. All right, then let's push that. So we put, how do we describe it? Update bundles, update bundle and function interactions after a recompare right away. Okay. Then let's commit this. All right. Good. So let's see if we can refactor this a bit. So maybe we can make all these guys private and move these update functions into the body here of the descriptor. Let me see, descriptor. So this here is there, but this one is outside. Update filter. Okay, let's rename this to resets. Resets. Sets external. filter condition needs updates, right? Needs updates. Then we make this privates, and then we can make this private as well. And then we move this function private as well. And then we remove this here. Then we make it a static. And then we move the filter callback. Move the filter callback to here. And then we move these three functions to here. Descriptor, and then instead of descriptor, this one is no longer a template. We need to stop debugging. So it's descriptor needs update, draw filter descriptor, this, okay. Let's rename these to M. There we go. There we go. Then we remove this descriptor here, and we remove that. Then container. Then we remove this here, update filter. Then we remove this here. Then we take this, or there will be a lot of compile errors, I think. Source, filter callback, filtered once. Then we remove that. and that. Draw filter, update filter, and reset. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a little bit simpler. Maybe filtered, filter. Private. There we go. Okay, so now of course there will be compile errors in here in ImGUI app, but let's see if we get any in here. Text filter, yeah, let's see. Yeah, here. So M key, and that's it. Okay, and the rest will be here. Bundles filter. We need to. Oh, I see. Draw filter. Filtered. I think we need to return a. We should have a span const filter type. Get filtered const return filtered. Let's see if that works. Get filtered index. Span includes common types. Get filtered. filtered. Okay, let's see what compiler errors are left over. Yeah. Cannot convert from initializer list to span. Oh, okay. Vector type. Can we initialize it from begin and end? Is that possible? Not sure. Okay, now we say bundles filter dot update filter. All right. Draw filter. Draw filter. Okay, let's see if there are any left over. Yeah. Okay, here we have an M filter and a key, M key. So I wonder, maybe we can also move some of these bodies to the CPP. Well, not the big ones, but there's not much in the CPP. Bunch of one-liners. We cannot move those templates there. Yeah. How about we move the templates down here behind this. Same with this one. And so we put this here, and then we put this here, there, there, and there, and then we put here the type, right? No. And then here we would just hide this there. No. Oof. Ah, hold on. This one needs to be here. There we go. Because it's a template argument of the struct, not the function. There we go. That should do. Let's see. Almost. There we go. Okay, and then let's remove this here. Then we remove that and that. And then we also move this here to the CPP. Here. And this one. And this one. Ah, shit. There we go. Then, hold on, it's a template struct. We cannot move it. At least not here. I think the static here needs to be removed. Then let's move this up here. Then we take these guys and we put them here. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Type. There we go. And then remove this here, and this, that, and this. Okay. So the declaration is, oh, there's the one here. Ta-da. Da. All right. So the declaration looks pretty clean. Yeah. Okay, let's see if it compiles. Does compile. Let's see if it runs. Compare. Okay, let's filter here. Let's filter for ASCII. There we go. Let's filter for ini. Yeah, that works. Let's filter here. Single bundle. Let's filter for ASCII. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, cool. That is nice. Very nice. Then filter, yeah. Filter. Show unmatched. All right. Anything else? Well, it's a bit more code now than before. Didn't necessarily make it simpler. Filtered, maybe. Maybe the filtered we rename here to filtered. Yeah. Let's search for all occurrences. Somehow it's not finding it. Oh. Get filtered. Looks like the renaming failed. Yeah. Current projects. Replace all. All right. Okay, let's see now. It has troubles finding references here to the filtered call. That's unfortunate. Good, so filter here, there, filtered size, count, count, yeah, filtered size, filtered, How's this called here? Man, search is no longer working. Jesus Christ. Oh man. Visual Studio. Now it works. Amazing. And counts. I see. How about here? We call get filtered bundle here. Index.id. Then here we do auto span. Filters. Assert index smaller filtered dot size. Cons filtered. I think we need to remove the reference here because we now return the span. So we just take it like this. Const auto filtered const auto filtered 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 filtered. And filtered. All right. So hopefully without mistakes. Yeah. Let's look over the code. So here we call reset, filtered size, filtered index, dereference. All right. Get filtered bundle. .it. Update filter. Draw and update filter. All right, that looks good. Yeah, I think that is fine. Then let's give it one more good test. And one more look. So let's say we process just this, and we do, let's compare it against itself. Yeah. So let's filter for weapon, bonus, set, yeah. So green, we like green, right? Yeah. Okay, that looks good. Let's change a bundle. Selected 0 of 4. Huh. 4 of 4. Okay. That was unexpected, no? If we go here, 0 of 8. 8 of 8. 8 of 8. 0 of 8. 0 of 6. 0 of 8. Yeah. Pool. Let's recompare. Yeah. Let's collapse this down. Let's press load and compare. We still have the pool thingies. Yeah. Okay, cool. Pool. Let's type in something here. BBB. Nothing. Yeah, this works well. Okay. I think this is good. So what we have done is basically confine or move filter functions into text filter descriptor structs. Move all filter functions into the text filter struct. Yeah. Right. Text filter descriptor. This comment is wrong. Should be set false to force the next draw to update the filtered states. Maybe we should put the comment here. Set draw. Let's submit it. Okay, I think we can push it as well. Yeah. Yeah. And then next, yeah, let's see what to-dos we have now. There's still plenty to do. So, yeah, we still have a lot here. So we need to make strictness configurable. Well, that can wait, I guess. Create function. There's also some, right, some refactoring. Yeah, let's do this refactoring next. Should be a pretty simple one. Yeah, this one here is a more complicated refactor, this here. Yeah, but we should probably also do this soon before the code gets more complicated by some other measures. Yeah, so it's maybe better to get a grip on this sooner than later. So I would say next we do this simplification, which should be simple. This one is hard. Yeah, and then we are inching forward to the coloring. That's still a big thing. Yeah. Yeah, then there's also still the whole thing of thread pools for work queue and work. Right now it's all just being crunched on one thread. So there's a lot of upside for performance still. Yeah. But that's not so important. The performance aspect, right now performance is actually pretty good already. But yeah, it's something that we can do. Okay, good. Anything else? Anything else? No. No. Let's do this next. Yeah, and then we push this here. All right. Good. What's the time? 1:16. I thought so, yeah. Good. Then I will take a break now. Short session. Take a break. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.